Hello guys, in this video I want to show you guys how you can delete websites and apps that you have ever installed on your phone that are being monitored by Facebook. So first of all, click on your profile, top right, click on settings, scroll down, look for apps and websites from the menu or from the list. Allow it to load up. This is the interface you get. So as you can see here, these are the list of apps and websites that you have ever used on your smartphone, and Facebook is keeping track of those apps and websites. For you to delete or clear these apps and websites from their history, this is the simple procedure you need to observe. If not, if you continue using those apps and websites, Facebook has access to those apps and websites. They monitor every activity on your smartphone. You can as well restrict that permission from your Facebook app using the same method. Please share this video if you have learned something, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube at EO Digistore. Yes, you can subscribe at EO Digistore on YouTube. Thank you guys. Remember to share this video, like, share, leave a comment, drop the notification button so that whenever I make videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. I drop tech tips and updates on my channel. Thank you guys.